Today we have the newspaper of 27th May 2025 and start with the first news, that is Bangladesh army at odds with the government on Myanmar corridor. Bharat forecast system set to give sharper rain alert. Ukraine targeted in Russia's biggest drone attack yet. Amid attack by CM, Congress appointed Gaurav Gogoi as its Assam unit president. Standoff continue between Ramadosas Anumani over who will lead PMK in poll. Bengal teachers insist they won't take re-exam delegation off to Delhi. The curious case of racehorse that end up in Jabalpur farm from Hyderabad. 9 containers from the sunken ship was ashore. Kerala government issue high alert along coastline over threat of oil spilling and leakage of hazardous chemical. Public asked to report signing of containers and maintain distance from them. Coast Guard chief is desperate to escalate the biodegradation of the oil slick. Fishing activate banned. 8 missing after going for a bath in a tributary of Godavari River in Andhra Pradesh. Rain paralyzes normal life in part of Kerala. UDF file Sokhat for Nilambur bypoll. MP demand probe into engineer's death. Senior Maoist leader killed, another held in Jharkhand. Sub-zonal commander of PAN CPI Maoist Manish Yadav was found dead in a Lethar district's zonal commander Kundan Kharwar carrying a bounty of 10 lakhs arrested after an encounter. Governor travels 7 km by helicopter as protests continue in Manipur. Amid strains in Thai, senior Indian officials to reach out US government. CRPF officials held for sharing sensitive information with Pak. Supreme Court to hear in July Tamil Nadu plea to transfer VC case from High Court. SC Collegium recommended 3 judges to top court. Biennial elections to 8 Rajya Sabha seats in 2 states to be held on June 19. Operation Sindoor are reflections of India's value and sentiments, Mr. Modi. Congress post clip of Prime Minister Modi attacking opposition party for demanding caste census. Balasah would have huge PM over Operation Sindoor, says Saha. Jaishankar reject Congress positions on his statement on Operation Sindoor. YouTube channel erect as new agencies demand license fee for content. Content creator face copyrighted complaint from NI for using footage without license, prompting protest from channels. The move violate creative expression, say prominent YouTube channel. India record 1009 COVID cases, up from 257 last week. University of Liverpool to open campus in Bengaluru, admission from next year. Court accept closer report to cancel case against Brij Bhushan. Center reform news to state resulting in less land wastage, Ministry of Data. The dawn of autonomous satellite and illegal vacuum above us. AI hallucinations are becoming an important source of misinformation on ground, and they pose a similar threat in space. A satellite hallucination misclassifying as harmless commercial satellite as hostile and responding with defensive actions is entirely uncharted territory. Fingerprint may also wrinkle unequally. An operation that was also about a self-reliant India. Focus on heat resilience despite the monsoon. As climate extreme grew, the shift must be from reactive emergency care to preventive equity-rooted public health. Suman Gill is in charge of a task team in transition. State deserve a bigger share of central taxes in post-GST era. Manage anemia before pregnancy. Far too many women begin pregnancy already struggle with the undiagnosed anemia. This must change. Arms deal. India moves away from Russia, Pakistan from the US. India has increased its dependency on Western countries while Pakistan has relied extensively on China. These are the chart that shows the difference level and how diversification of their arms deal. And that is the for the country wise share. India defense import across decade, Russia, France, UK, Germany and other. Then the country wise share Pakistan. This is the Pakistan, China, Germany, US. And this is the country wise share of India's defense import exclusively on weapon related to air power. That is Russia and that is the China. Why are sugar bones necessary in schools? How do sugar bones teach children about the health risk associated with high sugar consumption? Has the National Commission for Protection of Children's Rights stepped in type 2 diabetes preventable in children in India? Has the Food Standards and the Safety Authorities of India formulated a high fat, salt and sodium definitions? These are the questions that are going to be answered in this news. Why does Delhi local train system lie in ruin? Why do commuters still use local trains over the metro despite the long wait and huge crowd? Scientists finally solved the 160-year-old problem of Mendel peas. In 16 years after Mendel's death, three scientists realized that the Mendel has answered the question of whether some trait of parent are passed on their offspring more frequently than others. These are the questions that based on the scientific theory of Mendel, and that is the highly chance of asking in question in upcoming UPSC examination. And the second format that they can ask this question in form of essay topic of UPSC AC. And how they are going to ask, they modified it in the form of that, like it is a genetically modified crop is good for or bad, or a similar question, the ratio of genetically modified is increasing, how it help though who are preparing for it, they should have know about this. SC orders status quo on Bhushan Steel liquidations. Simon deliver India's first 900 horsepower electric locomotive. DPIIT review key issue holding up mega infrastructure in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Indian Bank may have low 10 to 12% credit growth in financial year 26. Rupee volatility may be back when tariff deadline ends, say expert. Sundaram Finance financial year 25 net up 6% to the pay 21 dividend. OPEC grouping expected to open taps more despite price slumps. Soft China dampers Asia's LNG demand, Europe import ease Russell's. How Nippon Steel negotiators stuck at US merger. Japan to sweetens offshore wind rule as player get cold field. France Macron call for world orders based on law in Vietnam. Venezuela Maduro wins landslide in post boycotted by oppositions. Finland summons Russia's envoy over suspected airspace violation. Syrian officials arrest members of Islamic State group near capital. Israel new Gaza strike killed 52, including 36 in Celta. Trump's delay EU tariff following a very nice call with a von der Leyen. No plan to give up uranium enrichment for sake of deal Iran. Far-reach MP Geert Wilders unveil a 10-point plan to cut down migrations in the Netherlands. 10 shot at holiday party on South Carolina boat. Digital misinformation casts shadow on US-China temporary trade truce. False claim on Chinese platform alleged Americans were panic buying Chinese good, flying to China to shop and lining up to buy in bulk. Some posts were boot-driven attack on the US brand. The world two biggest economic agreed earlier this month to pose reciprocal tariff for 90 days. Romania swears in new president Nicole Dan amid East crisis. Chanting death to Ab, Israeli Jews gather for annual march in Jerusalem. English Priyan's power Punjab Kings past Mumbai Indians into qualifier 1. Nitish is too good not to bounce back. Vittori. Arshdeep brace up for big leap to Test cricket. That's from my side. See you soon. Jai Hind.